First, turn on the power on switch and enter the power on interface. Click on the setup. Option 1. The flash point value of transformer oil is approximately between 140 degrees centigrade and 150 degrees centigrade. The expected flash point value is set to 150 degrees centigrade. Test steps. Selection 1. Whether to print automatically, select 2 to print automatically. After the settings are completed, click the test button. Wipe the oil cup clean and add the sample oil. Just add the oil sample to the scale line of the oil cup. Put the oil cup into the instrument. Click Start. The electronic igniter is powered on 24 degrees centigrade in advance of the expected flash point value. The instrument starts testing 22 degrees centigrade ahead of schedule. If the flash point cannot be detected all the time, it will automatically stop after a delay of 14 degrees centigrade. Now the instrument has detected the flash point. The detection is complete. The flash point value determined in this experiment is 148.2 degrees centigrade. Corrected flash point value 148.6 degrees centigrade, subject to the corrected value. This experiment is complete. Thank you for watching.